Hello everyone. I am here to tell you all how to download MATLAB licensed software from the university email. Search MATLAB in your browser and visit the MathWorks website. Click the Accounts icon to create your new account. Then, click the Create One button. Fill in your university email address. Please note that license is available only for the university email address. Then complete the form and click Create. Now you must verify your university email address. Go to Outlook and sign in by providing your university email and password. Check the email you have received and click the Verify Email button. Please fill out this form with your personal information and a strong password. Then, tick the Accept and click the Create button. You have now completed creating your account with an academic license. To install MATLAB to your device, click the Install MATLAB button. Now you can download MATLAB to any OS you are using. All the previous versions of MATLAB can be downloaded, but I do recommend the latest version. After selecting the required version and the OS, click the Download button to start the download. After completing the download, run the setup and enjoy MATLAB. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe ʞᴇᴏ KDU YouTube channel.